just is unfathomable to me how a company like Perry's, or any restaurant for that matter, can, pay an employee $2.13 an hour, which, I think is nothing. And once you pay taxes, it is nothing. But then still have the gall to say, a portion of those tips I'm going to take from you in order to enrich myself so I can reduce my payroll expense.
Have you ever thought about what happens to the money used to tip your server?
Well, often some of that money goes to a tip pool to be split up with other workers. But a popular steakhouse was just found liable for doing it the wrong way. ABC 13's Brandon Hamilton is live in our newsroom with the details of this case. Hey, Brandon, good morning.
Good morning, Samika. So the workers' attorney calls this tip pool by Perry's Steakhouse, quote, egregious. The workers say that portions of their tip money went to workers who would normally not receive a tip. According to court documents this morning, the tip money was used to pay the morning staff as well. So that group of staff worked while the restaurant was closed. Perry's restaurants argue that such tip pool was, quote, industry standard. The federal judge ruled the restaurant violated the Fair Labor Standards Act, which says tip pools can only be among staff, again, who regularly receive tips.
Court found that Perry's willfully violated the law, meaning Perry's knew this was unlawful, but did it anyway. And that's just, it's maddening that a company, as large as Perry's would do that, enrich themselves at the expense of their $2.13 an hour employees.
And so in a statement to ABC 13, the restaurant said, quote, our focus has always been on supporting our employees, and we are disappointed with this result. We are exploring options as we determine the next steps. And the next steps, according to the server's attorneys for them, will come at a later date to determine the exact damage amount.